How do I determine if my Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit using a command? Possible duplicates. How to tell if a computer has a 64-bit CPU or OS. Detect Windows Server version 32/64 of a bit in CLI. OS version, 32-bit or 64-bit? How do I determine if my Windows system is 32-bit or 64-bit from the command line? I want to know the bitness of the operating system, not the hardware. This question applies strictly to command line only. I don't want any GUI solutions.
From an elevated command prompt, type Umikosketos architecture. The output is pretty obvious, I think. It'll return either 32-bit or 64-bit.
The System Info console program will show this. You will want to look for the system type, line. For 32-bit systems, it will say x86-based PC. For 64-bit systems, it will say x64-based PC. Or, for a quicker method, you can simply check the processor_architecture environment variable. 64-bit systems will say N64 and 32-bit systems should say x86. To check this, you can simply echo it out. David Wang over at MSDN Blogs expands upon this how-to, detect process bitness.
You can check if the %program file's x86% environment variable is declared. On 32-bit systems, it will not be defined. Only %program files % will be. This is also safer than just checking if the program files x86 directory exists, since it can be moved or even deleted.
I wrote a simple command line application that will tell you whether your processor and your OS are either 64-bit or 32-bit. Read out example. Per request, here is the source, compiled using CLI option, written in AutoIt. And here is an example if you want switches for CPU, C, and OS, O.